much right now.
Get it on movie, get it on film, get it on movie, get it on film. Put my heart way above the brown. I wanna got a cup with the all white trim. Finna go and dump way above the rim. Good and nice, it was hard to flip. Niggas been lit when the heart ain't hit. I ain't think twice whenever I get it. I was going shice with the all black fitted. I was going shice in all black. I was on 10 when you call back. Had to think twice and you fall back. I hate a mean licking, it was alright. I was going shice in all black. I was on 10.
Yo, what's good, guys? We're back with another day in the fucking life, bro. Anyways, today is the 6th of January. I'm gonna be going to Costa Rica in a couple of days, so that's why I wanted to create a real quick video for you guys before I go. I'm also gonna be vlogging when I'm there, but I did want to record one last day in the life for you guys before I go. So currently, today is the 6th of January. It's a Monday, new week. I already said in the private group, I have a bullish bias going into the day on all pairs. As you guys can see, we already pushed relatively a lot on, definitely on NQ. We definitely pushed a lot already. We traded into opposing array, so now we might see some type of retracement lower or some type of reversal. But since I am bullish going into the day and the whole week, I'm not gonna be engaging in any shorts. I'm only gonna be looking for longs. Currently, I'm waiting for this long setup to play out on US 30. I'm just waiting for a close above this area and then a retracement in here for me to engage. So I'll let you guys know if that happens, if there is any trade idea, if the trade does present itself, and if not, I'll let you guys know. And then I'll just move on with my day. But yeah, that's currently what I'm seeing. Just listening to some music. It's paused now on my iPad, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So we're back. No trade opportunities for me today, guys. We got that delivery to the upside that I did want to see, but I did not get an entry before we got that delivery higher, and now we have traded into an opposing array on the 4-hour, which makes the entry invalid because I could have entered at this for value gap right here, but first of all, that's way too high in the range, so I would have way too wide of a stop, and I could have entered at this for value gap here, but like I just told you guys, entries are not valid anymore ever since we traded into this higher time frame PD array. So for me, I'm done for the day. I'm not willing to participate in shorts because, again, like I told you guys, they're going to be low probability for the day. Again, they can play out, but they're just lower probability overall on YM and on NQ. NQ is definitely looking more bullish because it's just pushing higher. We didn't really see those big down close candles like on US 30, but I don't like NQ at all because we have a 4-hour opposing array also. So overall, it's just not looking really clear to me anymore. I'm not willing to engage and put my money on the line for these type of conditions. My analysis was good though. My analysis was right. We did get that delivery higher, but just I didn't get a fill on that delivery. So now I'm done for the day. I'm done pretty early. It's only 10:22, but for me it's 11:22, but it's still really early for me. So I'm just gonna go to the gym right now. I'm gonna probably record that for you guys and put that together for a video, and then I'll be back later. Yo, what's good, guys? I'm in Italy right now, as you guys could see, or yeah, you guys can't really see it. So let me show you guys. You can't really see much right now, but yeah, I'm in Italy, guys. This shit is literally, I'm doing this shit with trading money, bro. Like, what the fuck, dude? I'm 18, traveling to Italy and shit. And now I'm just enjoying, I'm about to eat some breakfast. It's already like 11. So, yeah.
The markings on your surface, your speckled face,